Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rosie Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In today's video, I'll be showing you a basic card for scrapbook or explosion box. Take a sheet of size 7 into 17 cm. Divide 7 cm in two equal parts of 3.5 cm each. Now divide 17 cm in 5 cm, 7 cm and 5 cm. The measurements of middle part and the breadth should be same while making this piece in swatch card. Now join the lines diagonally and fold as shown here. Then take another sheet of size 7 into 20 cm. Mark cut 5 cm, 10 cm and 15 cm on both sides and draw lines. Then fold as shown here. Now the last one of size 9 cm into 24 cm. Fold 24 cm in two equal parts. Mark the middle point and keep the pointed edge below midpoint and paste as shown here. Mark the middle point and keep the middle line together and paste both the sides carefully. And your card is ready. Hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture of your crafts in my DMs of Instagram. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.